here with a tutorial. I had a request to make a tutorial for 1.5 feet weaves. This is Nesta. He's my little assistant today. But I'm here to deliver that tutorial for 1.5s. They're really easy. This will be a nice beginner tutorial for all of you people out there who are just starting and all of that good stuff. So yeah, it's a fun one. And yeah, let's get started. So this is another move that I just knew from poi spinning and just translated it over with my mini hoops. It's a really easy move. Like I said earlier, a lot of you beginners will enjoy this. It is essentially two things combined into one little weave-like move. It's little weave here, just a standard weave with one hand, crossed with a pendulum, which is a half circle and then a point on either side. It looks like this: half circle, point, 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 half circle. And essentially, if you're at 3 o'clock and get your poi head over here to 9 o'clock, from here, instead of continuing the circle over, you're going to sustain it and guide it across. So 9 o'clock, guide, back to 3. You can almost think of it as making a little smile with your poi. Same thing with the little hoops exactly. You'll want to be familiar with little weave. I know you all can do little weave. And a pendulum with the mini hoop, which will look like bottom of the smile, drag across the top. And for this, it's a really loose grip. As such, I'm just barely gripping it with my fingers. It's real loose here. Side, across. Half smile, across the top. Half circle here. To begin, let me use my left hand first. It's going to be from here. We'll start with the top of our pendulum. So we're going to guide across the top to a point. The point starts from behind us, scoop here, and the hoop's directly in front of us. And from here, this is where you're going to do a little half of a weave. So get back, scoop. So your half of a pendulum, and then little weave, scoop, pendulum, weave, scoop, pendulum. So, other arm. Pendulum, weave, scoop, pendulum, weave, scoop, pendulum, weave. Dragging it across the bottom, 9 o'clock, let it guide. And from here, you do loosen your grip, little weave. So it just guides around your fingers, come back. Loose, open grip, guide around the fingers, back. Practice that with both mini hoops, and when you get comfortable, we will move on to doing them with both. So, combining the two movements. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. The movement is split time, and at first it might be a little bit overwhelming, but you'll really just want to be comfortable with your pendulum scoop, weave sequence in each hand, because we're essentially going to be a couple steps apart with each hand. While this one's penduluming across the top, my left arm on native side, my right arm will be over here on my left side, meeting it, as we were talking earlier about how the poi heads meet. This is where they meet. But my right arm is doing the weave, getting ready to come into its own little pendulum. The key things to remember is your grip is extremely, extremely loose for this move. Like, I'm barely holding onto little hoops. Just lots of space here. 1, 2. Remember that the bottom hoop's top meets the top hoop's bottom as silly as that sounds. 1, 2. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. And you'll notice there's a grip change every time here on the bottom. Grip, 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 grip. And the only thing is the hoop's just traveling around your fingers. You're opening up your grip to allow the circle to happen. So, 1, little circle, little circle, little circle, little circle. Try and get close so you can really see that. There it is. There it is. How my hand opens up. So, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can take this same move. You can do it backwards. It's going to be essentially the same things. You'll be doing a backwards weave instead, though. Those of you familiar with backwards weave. And your pendulum will be in reverse direction. It looks a little bit like this. Notice the hoops are just still meeting.